Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to make a caterpillar, but on a leaf. We need a piece of green paper, a pencil, a black whiteboard marker, a green corky, a stick, a paper, a glue gun, and also a scissors. But now we have two papers. One paper we will draw a leaf, and then on the other one we will make a stem. And now we will trace it with a green corky. Here's our leaf. And now we will roll this paper. So there's our wood stick, there's our stem. And now we will put it inside to the hole to move freely. We will roll the tissue paper like a stem. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, and share, and bye bye.